Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2810E series or 2800E series. What I want to do is to show you how to reset the network. This printer is currently connected to a wireless network and you can see the Wi-Fi light is steady. To reset the network, you need to press the cancel and Wi-Fi button together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. The power on light will be highlighting, then you release the button. The Wi-Fi light is now flashing intermittently and it will print out a quick start guide. What that means is the printer is now, the network is reset for you to reconnect the printer to a wireless network. We print out Wi-Fi quick start guide, then for you to reconnect the printer to a network. So the printer is no longer connected to a network, so you need to reconnect the printer to a network. This is how to reset the printer. Thank you very much indeed.